Hi.
Hey.
My name is Albert.
I'm Luís from iLoF. So we help pharmaceutical companies develop personalized treatments for Alzheimer.
Pleasure to meet you here on the great digital festival in Riga. Can you tell a bit more about your startup? Why it's a future unicorn?
So actually the label was kindly given to us by Rockstar, which is one of the best accelerators in Europe. They are located in Netherlands. And basically what we do is we have an AI and photonics based system that helps pharmaceutical companies develop tailored and personalized treatments for Alzheimer's disease. So to quickly sum up, there's a big problem and we all know the problem behind Alzheimer's, but not all people know the problem of why there isn't a treatment yet in the market for Alzheimer. And the truth is that Alzheimer is a very heterogeneous disease, so there's not going to be a drug that works for everyone, and that's why we don't have one in the market right now, because we keep developing or trying to develop a treatment that works for all, and that's not going to work. So what we do is we can get a biological fingerprint of the individuals, and we can help the pharmaceutical companies build on that biological fingerprint and test it for several types of profiles, and tailor-made their treatments. So that's basically what we are.
And you already on which stage? Alpha, beta, or?
So it's a bit hard to define. So we just closed financing of 2 million euros by a consortium of industry partners, including big pharma, some of the big pharmas in the world. We have a fully working MVP. We are already engaging with also 2 pharmaceutical companies. So in a way, I would say we are alpha in the sense that we are still accelerating, but we're growing pretty fast.
And where are you based?
So we are based between Portugal and UK. So our technical operations are in Porto, Portugal, beautiful city where I'm from originally, but we have commercial operations in the UK, in Oxford, where half of the founders team is also from.
So you're based between Portugal and
Porto
UK?
Porto and Oxford in this case, yes.
And you just come from the Web Summit?
Yeah, I just arrived from Lisbon, from the Web Summit.
You've been participating like attendee or like a startup?
Yeah, so we had a kind offer by the Portuguese government to have a booth at the event and to also present some pitches, and we took it, and it was an extremely learning and fun experience. We really liked it.
And what's your future plans for years ahead?
Yeah, so we do have a vision. So business-wise, we are very engaged with our pharma partners into entering clinical trials or helping in real clinical trials, live field clinical trials in early 2021, in the sense that next year we'll start already a live POC, 2020, but in 2021 we will hope to be up and running completely. But we don't stop in Alzheimer. We are basically an enabling technology. We can screen for other neurodegenerative diseases. We have POCs even outside of that field, in pancreatic, in stomach cancer, and basically I would say in 4 years we would probably, hopefully already found or enable some advances in the Alzheimer's field, and we would probably jump out of that field into other neurodegenerative diseases. So that's our goal.
So most of the medical industry is still empty. There are still a lot of things to invent and develop.
There are, especially in the personalized medicine field. So you know aspirin. Aspirin works for everyone, and it's a great product. But unfortunately, I think we're out of treatments that work for everyone. And I think the future is for you as a person to have, well, not tailor-made for you, but to know your biological profile and to take the medication that works best for you as a person.
Exactly, to be more focused.
Exactly, so personalized and precision medicine, there is a huge potential to work on that field, and that's the field where we see ourselves in 4 years too. Yeah.
Thank you very much. That was very nice to talk about your startup. Hopefully to see you next year as what we have. At least more advanced beta version of iLoF for sure. No, it was also a pleasure for me, and thank you so much for having me. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks.